Hey everybody, welcome to my video today and welcome to another project made by Chris, and this is the Just Because series. We are on, I think, project maybe number 3, and this one is a fun one, you guys. So I'm not even gonna attempt to try to share all of the measurements in this video. What I'm gonna do is put that on my website. So you'll just head over to my website. There's a little box that will have all of the directions and you can print that out. But I'm gonna do all of the steps here on the video so you can kind of follow along, because this one, you guys, is probably, I mean, I love this project that she did. It's really amazing. So what I'm gonna start with is this card. So this is one of the Tutti Fruity note cards that you can get for free when you place a $50 order. It's a celebration item. So that means every $50 that you are spending right now, you can pick out a free gift. And these note cards are one of them. So you get these envelopes that have this really beautiful lined design, and then they're really colorful, and then you get the note card that matches. So the first thing we're going to do is put together this card, and we're using the Tutti Fruity designer paper. So here is our envelope, and then here's our card base. So wait until you guys see what she paired with this. This was really amazing. So we have our standard A2 size card, which means it's 5.5 by 4.25. So then we have some layers here, and this was actually one of the things that I do with my team and on my team Facebook group is we do something called Mix It Up Monday, where we share a card sketch and a color combo, and you can use those to create for the week. And there's oftentimes I'll give away little goodies for people who participate. It's just a fun way for us all to get crafty and creative together. So this was actually one of the Mix It Up Monday card sketches that we used, and this is what Chris came up with. So the first piece of designer paper is going to be 2.5 by 4.75, and we're just gonna layer that right in the middle. The DSP is double-sided, so you can pick whichever design you want. We're gonna layer that in the middle. The next piece is this design here. This is probably my favorite design from this designer paper, is this black and white one. This is 3.25 by, it's about 1.5, and we can layer that piece down, and it's gonna go right in the middle. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then this piece right here is going to be 1.5 by 4.5. And again, you can use either side. And we're gonna layer that a little bit higher up so we have these really fun layers. Next, we have this piece of lemon lime twist. And I don't have the stamp set that Chris used, but it's the Tutti Fruity product suite. And I'm gonna go ahead and put a photo from the catalog right here so you guys can see what product I'm talking about. This product has designer paper, it has this great stamp set, has these mini punches that you can use to punch out the fruit. It's a great set to have. So I used this on stage when I was there in November, but I never have purchased it. So what you're gonna see is that she has stamped "We Make a Great Pair," and that's gonna go right here. And then we will have the circle and then the pair that will go on there. And again, because I don't have that stamp set, and I didn't think to borrow it from her, I can't finish the stamping on there, but that's what it looks like. So just like that. So that's the card, and that has an envelope. So now let me share with you guys what she paired together with this. Are these not the cutest thing you've ever seen in your life? And wait, it gets cuter. So you pull this tissue paper out. Let me do this one. And inside are these super cute fruit earrings. So I'm going to share an Amazon link where you can pick these earrings up. But these are so cute. She gave my daughter a whole set of these, I think for Valentine's Day, and my daughter loves them. So the ones that are here in this basket are the apples. And they're just adorable. Okay, so let me show you how she did this basket. So first you have this little guy right here. So what you're going to do is just cut a square and then you score it to make the bottom part of the basket. This is what she gave me for the bottom part of the basket. On the instructions you'll see, you just cut that square and then you score it. It's like a 2-inch square. And then you score it. And then you cut the corners out. And then this is what's gonna allow you to do the basket. So then you take the stamp set, and I'll show the stamp set right here since I don't have it. And you're gonna stamp these images right here. So the handle, and then the basket part. And what you do is you just glue these to the side. So you glue all of these to the side. And that is how you get your basket pieces, okay? And then the little handle is that stamp, and you just glue it to the inside of the basket. You take a little piece of tissue paper and wrap up your items. And then on the outside, she just used little pop dots to stamp the fruit and then punch it. She might have used the designer paper for these pieces of fruit. I don't have that suite of product, so I can't say for sure, but I am almost positive that's what she would have done. So those are really cute. Those little tiny punches are really super cute, and you can do that with the designer paper and then add that. And then she added a little bow. So when you're done, the finished project is going to look like this. You're going to have a card and a matching little basket with a little fruit pair of earrings, which is so cute, you guys. So make sure you head over to my website. You can see a supply list and you can see photos. You will also see the directions. I will have those listed right on my website where you can print them out. And then make sure you give Chris a little shout out. She puts a lot of heart into these projects, and I always love seeing what she comes up with. It's always stuff that I would never think to do. So here is our next project, and I will be back in my next video this week to share another project as we get caught up on the Just Because series. Remember, you guys, Celebrations is coming to an end, so these Tutti Fruity note cards are going to be gone forever. Once Celebration ends, they will no longer be available, and they will never be in our catalog to purchase. So you can get those for free when you place a $50 order. And that is going to wrap up our video today. I will catch you guys in my very next video. I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today and watching my videos. Here are 2 other of my most recent videos. I would love for you guys to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will catch you in my next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day.